One of the things I really like about Zendesk is the ability to change up the workflows.
This is Brian. He uses Zendesk at SMC, the world's largest manufacturer of pneumatic components.
Pneumatics are just anything that's air-powered.
SMC's parts power original equipment manufacturers in industries as diverse as food packaging, automotive.
If you make something or package something, probably uses a pneumatic part.
And complicated products can mean complicated communication.
SMC works on a really large scale. We average between 1,400 to 1,800 ticket interactions per day. Those are emails. And then we average between 600 and 700 phone calls in addition to that.
SMC has offices in 80 countries with conversations in more than 20 languages, so agility in its workflows is key.
Zendesk definitely allows us to pivot quickly and to be able to change how we interact. As we've continued to scale up as a company, we've been able to manage how we want those interactions with the customers to route.
SMC uses Zendesk to standardize communication and customer processes all around the world.
Now we have very unified workflows. We have defined processes. We roll out across the globe for all sales offices.
And that's just the beginning.
But we're currently working at different ways that we can leverage it on the factory floor, inside of our engineering and technical centers, to allow them to design 24/7 and be able to meet the needs of our customers in a much faster way that allows more people to be involved across the globe.
The nice thing is that once we decide that we want to change how we interact or change how we want to workflow, we're able to quickly get management approval, test it, and then get it put in to where we can quickly change with the way that business is changing.